So I've decided to start a design service. And in this video, I want to talk about it, what it's going to be, how it's going to be different from other design services. Like you could go to Fiverr, you could go to Upwork, you could hire your own people. But with this service, it's a little bit unique in that really you just have to do one thing and then start uploading. So I'm going to talk about that in this video. So if you are interested in signing up, this page, I quickly created this page the other day. You can sign up, join for free, and then when we have packages available, we will email you. And really, that's the only way that you're going to be able to see the actual designs and packages that we're going to be creating is through the email. So make sure to click the link in the description. I'll probably pin it to the comments section of this video also. So make sure to check it out. But let me talk about what it's going to be. All right, so here I am in the back end of Merch by Amazon, and pretty much all print-on-demand sites that you're going to be selling on, whether it's Redbubble, Etsy, Teespring, they're all pretty much the same. You need to upload your designs, you need to create a title, you need to create a description or add bullet points. And I think that's where a lot of people have trouble, is actually finding the designs, like the research, creating the actual designs. A lot of people, I think, are actually creating the designs themselves, which is what you shouldn't be doing. If you're going to run a business, you need to actually hire someone who can actually create really good designs. You should also teach someone how to do their own research. So you should have a researcher doing all the stuff for you. So all you need to do is actually, send them one word or one niche to work in, and they should be able to find all the design ideas that you'll ever need. Then you take those design ideas to your designer. The designer will actually create the designs for you, add all the designs into the different dimensions that you need for all these products. And then you can go in and have your title person and your SEO person actually create the titles for each specific design. And then after that, you're ready to upload. And all that time between you doing research and you uploading, that takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of trial and error to find the right people to actually work for you. And over the past few years, I've actually found a lot of people that can actually do this for me. And that's what they've been doing for me for at least the last year. I've had the same people working for me. So it's more of a system, more of a factory that's like pumping out all these designs. And that's what you're going to have to do in order to be successful with print on demand. If you're not using, if you're not creating your own brand. Creating your own brand is way different than uploading to Merch by Amazon, Etsy, and Redbubble, or wherever else you're uploading to, because you actually need to create your own audience. You need to create your demand for your products. With Merch by Amazon, Etsy, and all these other places, you don't have to create the demand. All you have to do is find the demand, which is your research process, and then create designs that are selling in that niche. So I hope all that makes sense. I think it's really, really hard, especially for beginners or even intermediate people getting into this, to find the right team around them to get this going in the right direction. So if you're on tier 500 or more, the design service that I'm creating is definitely going to help you. If you're on a lower tier, yes, I may have some packages for you that you could purchase. But what you should be working on, if you're less than the 500 tier, you need to be working on getting more sales and spending money on influencers and maybe even some Google advertisements to get people to buy your shirt. Even if you're losing money up front, that's fine. You just need to get into those higher tiers to really, ramp up your business. So again, that whole process of creating a team, I think, is pretty difficult, and it's difficult to manage. Like, managing all these people is, it's an hour a day job, but you really have to be organized in your structure and how you're putting your team together. Ideally, your team will talk to each other. So the researcher would talk to the designer will talk to the title guy would talk to, if you're creating mock-ups, if you have a mock-up person, they would be talking to the mock-up person. the whole team would be, in a Slack conversation ideally, and you're just managing them and making sure that things are getting done in a timely manner and that the quality is up to your standards. So what I've done with this service is taken out pretty much all of that work. So I have a researcher, I have multiple designers, I have 2 title people right now, and all of those people have a system going on where every week they have work. But the thing is, with me right now, I don't actually have a ton of time to upload all the designs that I have. And what I figured, I was sitting around one night wondering how I'm going to get all this stuff uploaded, because I'm maxed out on designs right now on my tiers. I got to go in and delete a bunch of them probably, and then start uploading new ones. I delete the ones that haven't sold in a while or ever, and so I have more spots. But I just don't have the time to actually upload these. And I just figured, since I have, these packages of, I work in niches. So if I'm in the, let's go really broad and just say dogs. If I have a package of 150 dog designs, I already have all the image sizes for, I already have all the titles for, they just need to be uploaded. I could probably just sell them as a package. So I think that's what I'm going to start doing with this business, and it's designsformerch.com. If you go there, you can click the button, just sign up with your email address. What I think I'm going to be doing is every Tuesday releasing these packages, and here's what's going to be inside the package. Inside the package is going to be, there are going to be 100% unique designs that are already, I make sure that all the copyright infringement issues are gone. If there are any, there usually isn't, but I always check that. Then you're going to get 5 different sizes of images, so they'll fit all the products on Merch by Amazon. So I think there's 14 of them, 14. So you're going to have all the products ready to go for each design, and then you're going to have all the titles, all the bullet points, and all the descriptions for each design. And usually when I'm working in one niche, the bullet points and the description are the same for all the images, so that's not a huge deal. You could go in and change it a little bit, but most likely I use the same bullets and the same description for every single niche. I only change the title based on what the design is, so that's why the titles are unique. The designs are going to be unique. You're going to get 5 different images to fit on all the products. And I think someday I might add in mock-ups also, so you can actually upload these to Etsy right away without doing any work, meaning without using like Placeit or your own person to create your mock-ups for you. I'm not going to do mock-ups right now, but I think down the road I might have to, because I'll be uploading these, at least some of these, to my own account. So if some packages actually don't sell, I'm just going to upload them to my own accounts on Merch by Amazon, and Etsy is where I sell the majority of my products. I don't sell on Redbubble or anything like that yet, but all these designs will work with pretty much any print-on-demand supplier. So basically, you're going to have basically merch-ready designs. So you buy the package and you can start uploading them right away. So let me know your thoughts on this in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe if you like my content and you want to keep updated on the stuff that I'm doing online. And again, designsformerch.com. Make sure to go and sign up. And hopefully, I think every Tuesday I'm going to be releasing some packages that I have just laying around that I haven't gotten up to, or excess ones that I have every week where I just don't have the time to upload them. So go there, click the button, put in your email. We'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Peace.